Come on in. It's a Recipe Share Sunday. Sharing recipes for my friends and family. Enjoy. I appreciate Papa Scott sharing this wood duck recipe. Man, I love me some woody. We used to cut the breast up and fry them like chicken fried. They're so good. And I appreciate him. He sends me his product, Camp Dog product, and it is so good. I get to try out all the different recipes I make. I love listening to him sing. He makes some excellent guitars. He's a truly craftsman, no doubt about it. So I'll let y'all enjoy the rest of the song. And if you need some Cajun seasonings, he's the man. Look up Camp Dog. Give him my code when you order it. It'll save you a little bit of money. It's just the two of us, so why make a big log of meatloaf? We just make this smaller one, and it is perfect. And this meatloaf recipe is wonderful. When you think about this meatloaf recipe to my wife and I, it spells comfort. Mashed potatoes, meatloaf, and green peas. That's old school comfort to us. Onion popovers. My cousin baked these. I actually gave her the recipe, and she made a wonderful dish with these. Yes, I call her toe chopper because when I was little, she was swinging high on a swing set. I walked up there, and she chopped my big toe off on my right foot. Yeah, they sewed it back on. She calls me Nine Toes now, and I still refer to her as Toe Chopper. I still love Miss Donna. This recipe is submitted by Shanna. Her and her husbands are good friends of ours. I've never had this chocolate pecan pie, but from the looks of it in the recipe, it looks wonderful. I've got to try it this fall. I've never been a fan of pecan pie, but I did have chocolate pecan one time, and it was great. So do yourself a favor and bake this recipe and let me know what it tastes like. Save it for the fall. This recipe is shared from Judy Davis. She's a longtime friend of mine. She actually is she takes care of my Facebook page, the recipe page at Country Boy Can Cook. I got to try this. I've never tried it, but it sure looks good. I can see a slice of that and a hot cup of black coffee on my breakfast menu. And here we have my grandmother, Willie Pearl Blanton. This is something she had on her table during all the holidays. Spicy meatballs, easy to make. They were the first things that disappeared from the table. They're so good. Everybody grabbed them. You can also do this with the little smoky franks, the little small wieners. Make this. Make it any time of year. You don't have to wait till the holidays. Any kind of party will be great. You will love it, and your guests will say, "Hey, I got to have that recipe." Share the recipe with them. Well, I appreciate y'all being here on my channel. If you have any comments or questions, leave them for me. And if you got a recipe you'd like to share, please send me a note and I'll tell you how I can get it shared for you. Plus, I'll try to get it put on a recipe card that you can copy and save. And by the way, happy Father's Day to y'all pops that are out there watching my videos. I appreciate it.